Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And if you follow my channel, you know that I am not only passionate about crystals, which you can see all over my craft table and all over the house, but I'm also a big fan of bracelet making. And as you can see, all these bracelets on the screen were made by me. The designs are exclusive for every single bracelet. I try not to repeat unless I'm asked by the person who is purchasing the bracelet to make a duplicate for them. So, in order for me to make these gorgeous bracelets, I need beads. And in this very video, I would like to unbox the beads that I purchased from our local seller, Golden Age Beads. It's a small American business that is located in Virginia, and I live here in DC area, so this store is actually 20 miles away from me. Unfortunately, they do not have a physical location, but it is possible to order from them online. So let's open and see what's inside. Are you excited? Me too. Please don't pay attention to the scissors that I'm using. These are actually my diamond painting scissors, and I didn't find anything bigger than that. Okay, let's see how it is all packaged. Okay, I just don't want to show my personal information because I used to order from them before and I like the quality, but I don't know why I stopped. Okay, so I actually purchased 7 items. And I like how they're packaged in plastic bags. So, let's see. That's what I ordered. So I ordered carnelian, 3 agate beads, chrysocolla, carnelian, actually several types of carnelian beads, ocean jasper beads, and yellow turquoise beads. Of course, they're not turquoise, but it's a different stone. But the trade name is yellow turquoise. Every single strand is 10 millimeters. You can see the prices. They're pretty cheap. Plus, they have a sale going on. I think it's 20 or 30% off. And the shipping was free, which is great. I spent only $38 for it. 7 strands for 38 bucks. It's very cheap. So, let's start. Let's start with this beauty. So, this is chrysocolla. Matches the photo perfectly. I love it. 10 millimeters. Beautiful. Look at that. But of course, I like to combine the beads with other crystals. Here it is. It's not focusing. I think you can see it better like that. And I even see the pirate inclusions in the beads. Gorgeous. $9.95 plus, I think it was 30% discount. Beautiful. By the way, chrysocolla boosts eloquency, public speaking. In case if I said it incorrectly, if I pronounced it wrong and you didn't understand, I understood myself. Whoa, that's very pretty. I wonder what it is actually. Oh, right. So it is not an ocean jasper. This is an ocean fossil jasper, right? Each bead is fossilized, if it is even possible to say so. Actually, guys, I pressed pause to do my research in regards to ocean fossil jasper, and I found out that actually it was formed by fossilization of coral thousands of years ago, and technically it is real fossil, right? I thought it was just kind of jasper, but no. This is the fossilization of coral. Okay, so this beauty is a yellow turquoise, and if we look at the picture, again, it looks absolutely the same, right? What I like about Golden Age beads, but not only about them, but other American brands that sell beads, that they're pretty honest. Like, for example, Golden Age Beads stated right away that yellow turquoise is a trade name, right? It's not a real turquoise. Actually, this is the combination of serpentine, jasper, quartz, and hematite. The stone is a combination of all these 4 crystals, and The reason why it is called yellow turquoise is because this kind of stone is sometimes found in the mines where a regular turquoise is found. That's exactly why it was called yellow turquoise. However, it has nothing to do with the turquoise itself. So I really appreciate their honesty. Beauty is tree agate. Also, if you look at the photo, you will see that it looks very similar, right? I had moss agate. As you can see, moss agate is more transparent, and inside the beads you can see the I guess chloride inclusion, but I can be wrong. They do look like moss or grass inside, and I decided to purchase the tree agate. It does look like a tree, right? It resembles a tree. I was thinking of making a mystical forest bracelet because all of my bracelets are inspired by some kind of idea. For example, this one was inspired by summer, so I call this bracelet a summer vitamin bracelet because of these gorgeous bright colors. They do remind me of summer colors, along with vitamins that we receive during summer due to the fruits, the abundance of fruits in summer, and vegetables, etc. This bracelet, for example, is like sea themed, so you can see aquamarine on it, also pearl and other stones that resemble, I would say, ocean wave color. This one, for example, is tranquility bracelet. I just wanted to add purple color with lepidolite and amethyst that promotes tranquility and peace. So when I saw the tree agate beads, I mean the thread, right, of tree agate beads, I was thinking of making a mystic forest bracelet right away using tree agate, moss agate. I'm not sure what else I can use. Maybe this yellow turquoise, but I'm not 100% sure, with some golden accents in it to make it more mystical or so. So in the last bag, I guess it consists of carnelian only. I love carnelian. This is the stone of inspiration. It boosts creativity. It's so bright. It's so orange. I love it. So I bought this like darker carnelian, I would say. Here it is. It's more like dark orangey color, 10 millimeters. And I bought, well, technically this is a red agate, so the stone that has bending on it, like for example this one, is considered to be agate. For example, this bracelet, for example, this is Botswana agate. You see the gray stone, it also has bending on it. So whenever the stone has bending, it's a agate. But if it is more of a consistent color without any bending, it's called carnelian, so to say. There is also sardonyx, etc. But if you call all that carnelian or red agate, it wouldn't be a mistake either. This is one more, but what differs this carnelian from these two is that it is faceted. These are just round beads, smooth round beads. This one, I love this color. This one is faceted. All of them are 10 millimeters. And each bead, look at that, is unique. Unique color. Unique transparency. From light yellow to darker orange. And this thread is also very interesting. There is even like an eye bead. Look at that, like agate eye. Gorgeous. So these 7 pieces $38. I'm really very happy. So I will leave the link in the description box below in case if you guys are interested. So while the sale lasts, I think it's worth purchasing it. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.